Folks, welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And today is part 3 of the Amish wooden wheelbarrow restoration.
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna assemble this bad boy and maybe try it out.
Let's do it.
Last one.
Yes. All right.
Now our platform is secure. Success. Look at that, Jennifer.
I know.
How cool is that?
Oh my gosh, this thing is quite big. This is so cool.
Like that?
I can't move around in here very good.
You're just playing. All right, folks, so we've got a ton done already, right?
Yeah.
So we dismantled this thing. We put it together, you stained, I painted, and all this kind of stuff, right?
We bolted it together, drilled it, filled
Yeah.
it. No.
Yeah, so it's, what are you talking about filled it? I don't even know what she's talking about already.
Just sounded good.
Anyway, so here's what we did. We mounted this platform on these handles, which is, the handles are basically our base, right?
Right.
And we just screwed them in, and then we put the sides of the box on there.
We added that.
We added them.
Yes.
Are you trying to get technical with me?
Yes, because that's the whole reason I wanted this Amish wooden wheelbarrow to be functional, is to have proper size.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because at first it didn't have the proper size.
I know.
As you look over here, hidden under this blanket.
Oh my
gosh. Okay.
Oh, that's
I don't know if that was a great idea or what, but
I know.
remember,
Look at this.
yeah,
piece.
it just had
And
an
this-
end piece, right? So,
Yeah.
so your whatever you're carrying doesn't slide onto the wheel. All right.
So
Look at
that's
it.
all we had.
Yeah. So what Jenny decided to do is she did some research. She looked on the internet and she found some old Amish antique wooden wheelbarrows that kind of resembled this right here.
Yes.
And so she said, hey, let's put some size on here, which makes sense because look, Jenny has things and stuff,
I have
right?
things and stuff.
You know, she could put those on there.
Oh, it's
check this out. It
fantastic.
even has enough room for those
Or
buckets
my
and
5-gallon,
5-gallon containers.
which I love, of course.
How awesome is that? You've got
It is
a ton of room on this
And so,
cart.
yeah, now that this is affixed,
And it's super strong too.
It is, and I mean, it's not, I can't put it down except on these blocks, but I know that, hey, I am gonna be able to, if I have trees I wanna plant, I'm gonna be able to put those trees in here.
And these handles are super strong too. This is treated wood, and it's gonna last a long time. And I think maybe we'll do later off camera. You guys don't need to see this part of it, but I think maybe we'll put a little stain on there as well. Same stain that we
and
used
this
on
is
here.
treated wood.
Right,
but
it's treated wood.
No.
So, but that's where we're at now. Next up, we're gonna put some awesome brackets on this box here
Yes.
to give it some, just make it more sturdy, right? More structurally sound. Another successful Ranch Rehab DIY project completed.
Yes.
Have a seat, relax. Rest your tired bones, Jennifer.
Oh, thank you. That's
Yeah.
nice.
So we finished our Amish wooden cart. What is it? Wooden wheelbarrow,
yep.
wooden cart, garden cart, hay barrel, whatever. Whatever you want to call this thing, it's done. And we did the best we could.
Yeah.
It's not perfect, but you know what? It's gonna work.
It's very functional.
It's functional.
And I
like
love it
function.
because it's industrial and rustic, and it also has some modern elements.
And you know what I like? I like it because it's done. Stop taking my line, Jennifer.
Stop taking my line.
Don't forget, subscribe, like this video, share, ring the bell for notifications, do all those great things that you do, and we'll keep doing what we do.
That's right.
See you guys later.
See you next time.